gonna be for you, Star Stop. And I'm so glad because she's become almost a path breaker now. A pioneer at such a young age, and she's been at it since a very young age also. Akriti Kakkar, thanks so much, darling, for joining me.
Thank you for the most wonderful intro ever.
But it's true, you know, I'll tell you something. So many people say that, you know, you need a good voice to be a singer. So that box was ticked a long time back. To the journey of becoming a composer in a film that recently went by. We'll talk about that. But you've been blessed with a voice for a very long time. And you've also seen a lot of people with a far inferior voice sometimes go ahead of you, maybe go alongside you. Has it been frustrating? I say this, when you have talent, it can be frustrating. Has it been frustrating?
You know, I think this is something I had learned at a very, very young age. There's something called talent. There's something called mehnat. If both of these things come together, there's no stopping. And
but luck also in a lot.
that is the third wheel for sure. But my Guruji, when I started to learn now, my parents and my Guruji, they taught me one thing. Listen, you have to only compete with your last performance. So if you start looking at, there'll always be better people. And do remember that if you're looking at competition and thinking who's better, is this new girl better, is this new guy better, will I make my space? Then remember that the moment you've sung your first song, you're in direct competition with the biggest names there are.
Yeah.
So why compare with the newer ones? Compare with the biggest that there are and try to get as close to, you know, perfection as you can. And apni khamiyan, if you realize by yourself, that's your biggest win. So,
but you know, I say that it's an easier time right now. I think when a lot of people, when they saw Secret Superstar, they realized that it was being depicted in a film. They said, is the digital world a Sahara now for so many people with talent of dance, singing and acting? Has it changed for you as far as being able to, you come up with so many singles that you come on the album, you know? So she uses her own YouTube channel very beautifully well. But in the last 3 years, has it changed positively for someone like you?
oh yeah, I think it's changed. It's become a whole new world for me. I never thought it existed. So this company that manages my YouTube channel, they came in, they said, you know, everybody knows you've sung Bollywood songs, but do know that those Bollywood songs are first the actors' songs and then your songs, and that too only when radio channels play it or when you go and perform, you know, directly in front of your audiences. So I said, yeah, and then how about telling people what you can do otherwise, you know? And
over and above that.
over and above that, because when you're singing for films, you're always singing in a certain set of, you know, parameters, a certain situation, a certain different character. But what is it that your audiences need to know about you as an artist? So I thought, yeah, I should give this a thought, and I started a series called You Choose, I Sing.
Audience was choosing?
Yes. So I used to literally write down all the requests over...
But listen, so you're not using just a YouTube channel. You're using your Instagram and Twitter
everything
and all that
put together.
To get the request.
Yeah, to know what they really want from me and what is it they really want to hear from me.
Okay,
and
stop.
then
What are the 5 things, most complimenting things you were getting at that point of time, along with ye gana gao, ye gana gao, ye gana gao and all that? What were people saying? Tell me. Because then it's like an ask me anything.
yeah. And so when I read the comments also below my YouTube videos, I was doing this morning only. So उसमें लिखा हुआ था, there are so many kakkars in the singing. Yeah.
अच्छा, सुकृति प्रकृति इनकी बहन है.
हाँ.
नेहा सोनू इनकी बहन नहीं है. और R और D का फर्क है.
नहीं, डबल के का फर्क है. वो भी R लगाते हैं.
वो भी R
है. पर वो डबल
के का फर्क.
ये सिंगल के है.
So that mistake is still happening.
It's still happening. So much so that, you know, a lot of music streaming sites, मेरे नाम के स्पेलिंग्स हर जगह गलत है, तो अगर एक पेज पे कोई जाता है तो डबल के वाले कक्कर में भी ढूंढना पड़ता है, डबल ए वाले आकृति में भी ढूंढना पड़ता है, सिंगल के वाले कक्कर में भी ढूंढना पड़ता है. सो इट्स वेरी
बट इट्स बेटर. अरमान और अमाल के बीच में क्या है, एक भाई को दूसरे का क्रेडिट देते हैं, तीसरे भाई को तीसरे का, उनका तो और भी खराब है.
बट फॉर्चुनेटली ये तो है कि एटलीस्ट उनके बहुत सारे गाने एक साथ हैं, जेन्युइनली एक साथ हैं. So it gets really confusing. That's number one. It's the biggest thing that I hear all the time. And secondly, पता नहीं इनकी आवाज़ की तारीफ करें या इनकी शक्ल की, तो वो मुझे बहुत चीज़ी लगता है, but हाँ.
But of course you are very pretty. So that I think that also helps. You know, बहुत time ऐसा था. So when I started radio about 10-15 years back, a lot of people knew the voice, but they knew the Shreya and the Sunidhi.
Absolutely.
वहाँ रुक जाते थे, and of course older generation तो of course they knew, but they did not know a lot of new voices. They said आवाज़ के पीछे क्या है?
Correct.
And so I think that changed once you had people grooming themselves, when you had prettier faces that came in. A lot of people started to go towards that. That also is with Instagram and social media that has changed.
You know, in days that I was actually releasing चार पांच गाने across a month in films. At that time there was all this Facebook, Instagram. It didn't matter. I mean, none of this was. आप अगर एक महीने में 2-3 बार भी पोस्ट कर रहे हो ना तो ठीक है. अब तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
दिन में 2-3 बार.
Like in the last few days around Holi, I was just caught up with something else and I just didn't post much. So I just wrote Happy Holi. Otherwise I would have put up a selfie saying, "Hey guys, Happy Holi! Did you have some gujia?" So I know my Insta was flooded with people asking me, "Is everything okay? You know, I mean, where have you been? Are you well? Are you
so
healthy?"
there's like this pressure to be perfect to them also, no?
Yes, to look like bright and positive and like happy and smiling and cheerful all the time.
One day I should just put these pictures of just very bad dark circles. Kala kar do, or if you want to. And just come and say, "What's up, guys? I want to look like this."
Yeah.
Listen, but it can take a toll also. Also, I know you're a very strong girl, and also another thing is, Akriti is very busy in shows.
Yeah.
You're very popular in
Traveling.
Calcutta. Nobody would imagine how you're so popular in Calcutta.
Even I don't know as yet.
But how did that happen? So if you don't know, Akriti, every month, Calcutta ka ek trip lag raha hota hai. And for some show. How? Have you sung a lot of Bengali songs?
I have. I've sung a lot of Bengali songs, and I think I would credit it entirely to one of my most favorite human beings and composer, Jeet Ganguly da. And unki wife ne
जिन्होंने
mujhe
तुम ही हो and all also for the Indian audiences. Apart from
Tum Hi Ho was
sorry Mithun.
Yeah.
But in Ashiki 2 he
Chahu Main Aana
yeah, he
and
was
all those
involved
really
in a lot
beautiful.
of music as well. Yes.
Yeah. So he's composed so many incredible songs in Hindi films as well as Bengali films, and his wife happened to hear me sing in one of the Durga Puja pandals in Bombay, and she went to her husband and said, "I think you might just try her for one of your Bengali songs." And wahan se
So in the Durga Puja you sing in Bengali?
no, normal Hindi
Achha,
stuff.
normal Hindi.
Hindi
Okay.
stuff. I hadn't sung in Bengali before that.
Okay.
So he called me and he first took so much of pains to fix my accent. I mean, to have a Punjabi singing in Bengali and then अगर pronunciation ज़रा सी भी इधर-उधर हो गई तो आपकी band बज सकती है. So he was very careful about that, and then this whole thing started with him, and I think I have about 50-60 odd really popular Bengali songs, and then I happened to judge Saregama for Zee Bangla, and so I think it
I
just
think that Bengali
came
connection
together.
went, and plus like I said, if you get an option, she got a very melodious voice and she looks also so pretty, so you end up calling her. So before we go into Milan Talkies, by the way, is if you don't know, she's composed and sung a track there.
Yeah.
And this combination happens very rarely. That will happen in some time on the show. But I'd love to hear you sing a Bengali track for us.
Yeah?
Haan.
Now?
Yeah, it'll be nice. By the way, how
So-
many languages do you sing?
I've Hindi, English, Marathi, Punjabi, Konkani, Sinhalese, Nepalese.
Sinhalese.
Yeah. Then Kashmiri. Then
Okay, so wait. So right now we make a say Bengali. But what is a Nepalese song? I'll try.
I'll have to Google all this. I don't even remember the songs.
अभी लेकिन बंगाली हो जाए, थोड़ा बंगाली हो जाए.
Okay. So these are like those full. They say these are those matcha songs. So this is how it goes. গুড়িয়া গুড়িয়া তুই আমার গুড়িয়া তোর সঙ্গে ঝিঙ্কু না করে না হা জ্বলিয়া পড়িয়া যাচ্ছে যে মরিয়া তুই না এলে টাকু না করে না 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 ঝিঙ্কু না করে না কুনা করে না কুনা করে না না ঝিঙ্কু না করে না কুনা করে না.
That's a Bengali song? Sounds like nakka muka re.
These are the typical commercial popular ones in
in our mind,
Bengal.
ऐसे रविंद्र संगीत तो नहीं playing. Bengali सारे slow ही होगा.
वो भी है पर ये भी है, ये बहुत सारा है.
Oh, we come right back. We're going to make a single out also. And we'll take a pick. Okay, Google will help us. Sinhalese, Nepalese, or Konkanese. Any one of these three only. They're difficult ones. We'll come right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, you're back on Star Stop. My star for today, who really is a star and she's an all-round actually. Because now she really has become. Compose भी कर दिया गाना और जो बहुत कम female composers है Bollywood में. And that's the reason why it's very important to highlight Akriti Kakkar right now. Thank you, darling, for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
You've always been a brilliant voice. You've always been a very respected voice. Have you got the respect as a composer now? Milan Talkies में आपका गाना आया, Jobless. Have
Yeah.
they given that respect?
Very ironic, na? It's the first song to be called Jobless.
That's true.
No, like I said before, मुझे जब ये गाना release हो रहा था, जब ये बना भी था, so it had such a funny story. I had made it for Chirag, the guy I'm married to now, and I was dating him then, and how it started, and it's so mysterious.
That you had the title Jobless then also.
Yeah, this
So
is
who was jobless that time? Him or you?
me, because I thought I've fallen in love and there's nothing more to do in life than to wait for his messages. So I've turned jobless.
Oh.
So came from a really personal experience, and you know, the whole feeling of seeing it on screen as a part of a film was so overwhelming for me that nothing else really mattered. The validation, the recognition as a composer, whether the song reached like 100 million views or it didn't, the fact that Tigmanshu sir took so much. You know, he believed in the song, and he told me 2 years prior to releasing it that जब भी बनाऊंगा Milan Talkies, it'll be in the film, and I'm so filled with gratitude that I think आगे हुई ये journey continue तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
You know, it didn't pick up as a film, and maybe sometimes that's the story of it, but it is a really big box ticked up for you. Are you good with, I don't see you playing instruments as much.
Yeah.
So composition mushkil hai, but
No,
because
I
it's
don't-
personal, it was easy.
I play the piano,
Okay.
but I haven't done it ever
Professionally.
But it always helps. Like my training has been Hindustani classical, so उसमें piano नहीं आता है, but harmonium and all these this basic chords.
Trinity College में कभी तुमने वो सोचा नहीं कि मेरे को grade 1, 2, 3 करना
नहीं
चाहिए?
मैंने गाने पे ही फोकस किया बट आई मीन आई वुड हैव लव टू गो आउट बट वो होता है ना यहाँ पे रह के इन मुंबई यू फील अ लिटिल लाइक शिट यू नो इफ यू ट्रैवल
Yeah,
you will
lose
miss
work.
out. You will just miss out. You feel like that whole.
But you've been working for first
Forever.
show 10, 12, 15, 13, like that, no?
I came to Mumbai about 14, 15
And you've
years
been doing
back.
shows since then.
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, since I was in Delhi,
Wow.
even
So-
before then.
So you could actually get burnt out in doing shows also, yeah?
Yeah, so we consciously decided to cap it in terms of how many number of shows we should do.
Yeah.
Because hai to awaaz, na?
Yeah.
It's not like you just have to go paint your face and, you know, look all nice. But you have to eventually really, truly sing.
But I have to say, there's a lot of shows nowadays, they say, sir, live singing हो रही है, live singing. This is the thing.
Yeah.
क्यों? क्योंकि +1 में गा रहे थे, -1 में गा रहे थे, कुछ लोग तो literally अपना CD चला रहे होते, उसमें बस mouth कर रहे थे,
वो भी
mime.
होता है, yeah, वो होता है.
Isn't that insulting as a performer?
Of course it is. I think that how do you maintain a basic honesty with your own self? This is where you start. I mean, what are you? You're making money. You're living a life of something like this. You can't live a life of lies. So
But it's working as apparently. If you
It
go,
does, but
can I just tell you, the people watching across the world, a lot of great Indian big fat weddings, very rarely do people actually sing these great fat Indian weddings.
you know, let's have like a ratio to it. Not everybody. A lot-
70-30.
I'd say 50-50.
No! Then it's those 51s that I've hosted that nobody's been singing. But yeah, ठीक है. So if you go, as long as the song, you know it works. So turning points in your life before we make you sing a track, I think Saturday also helped a lot.
Oh, it did.
Yeah.
Before Saturday, I was first I was called the Johnny Gaddar girl.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I was called the Marjani girl for the longest time, and then I was called the Saturday girl. I still am.
Because
So-
Varun, of course, has still been, so he worked well there and he's continued to be very relevant
Yeah,
as an actor,
yeah.
become very big as a star. So I think even now when they were saying, with my unit, Akriti ka, "Arey Saturday wali, oh, Saturday wali ladki." Plus, it played in the dance floors.
It still does on radio, which is very, very, you know, fabulous a feeling. It's not like it released last year, but it still feels very relevant.
Did
So-
it change a lot of, did they open a lot of doors for you, or was it just normal?
It was just normal. It was just normal. I don't think it, yeah, of course, it generated a lot of shows for me.
Yeah.
But in terms of more film singing work, not really. Because the
Really?
whole dynamics has completely changed in the last couple of years. And I've realized that I'd rather pay more attention to what I'm doing by myself and wait for people to notice, and if they like something, you know, that I'm doing very interestingly, and they'll probably call me to do just that.
Yeah, so I guess it does work. You can reach out to different audiences now because of social media. It works.
Yeah.
You've got two very talented sisters also who
Yes.
are rocketing, doing very well.
Yes.
I think it's, you must be also, it must be such a strangely beautiful experience, all three of you. And we've discussed this before, sometimes possibly competing also.
Yeah, but
without unknowingly. Yeah.
Unknowingly. And I think it's fabulous because for them to compete with other people outside might just be like, you know what, this song I had sung, and अगर वो घर में ही हो रहा है तो अच्छा है ना, you're facing competition which is healthy, which is not negative, literally every day. So you're trying to be better than the other, but you're still feeling love for the one you're competing with. So
You
it's
know-
good.
You know Saurav Ganguly's story, right?
No.
You must always remember this. Saurav Ganguly came home one day. He had been selected in 1992 for the Indian cricket team. So in Australia, he was doing only the drinks. They didn't make him play. So when he came back, so they say his father was sitting in the house. So he'd come back from a selection committee. He said, "I have good news and bad news. What do you want to hear?" So the father said, let's have the good news. He said, Snehashish has been selected, my brother, for the Indian cricket team. So his father said, what is the bad news? I have been dropped and he has been taken in my place. This is what happened in Saurabh Ganguly's house years back. So sometimes I think, imagine this is like good news, bad news can happen regularly in your house also. And also three of you sing very differently, don't you?
Yeah, I think between, if you compare the twins
Yeah.
with each other, they themselves are so different sounding and as people. So I guess it's when we come together, I look at the positives. ये मेरी बचपन से मतलब default setting ही है, वो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. तो
But the three of you would it be possible where you could compose a track with the three of you in it?
So this first track, Jobless, when it came out, it
yeah.
was, I just thought, पहले तो सोलो ही था, but Timanshu sir said इसमें ना उसके कुछ friends भी गाने वाले हैं, so visually, so why don't you get like a chorus section and this one particular cross line you get another singer to do it, which who sounds different from you,
हाँ, अलग आवाज,
evidently, और मैंने वैसे ही थोड़े nasal twang से गाया था, तो then I thought why look
घर पे
too
ही,
far away, yaar, and it'll be so special because my first song, and
As
what's
a
better to
composer,
have
yeah,
Sukriti and
wow.
Prakriti on board with me on it. So yeah, though it's just literally one line that Sukriti sang and the other cross sections Prakriti and Sukriti have sung together. So it's
Forever Family album के लिए तो चलेगा ये गाना हो जाए. Let's hear it. It's, if you haven't seen Milan Talkies yet, look, it'll be out on the OTT platform, so
Yeah.
she will be credited over there as a composer, singer, and बहनें भी इसमें. So amazing, full
and
family album.
lyricist too.
हाँ, lyricist भी, of course, everything. After all, because personal experience था ना, हो जाए.
Okay. मैं तो हो जाती हूँ जॉबलेस, थोड़ी बोर्डम थोड़ी मैडनेस, सब कुछ सेंटी लगता है, एम्टी एम्टी लगता है, ये है साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ प्यार, जब किया तो हो जाओ तैयार, वी कॉल इट लव, ये फीलिंग तो बेस्ट है यार, जब किया तो हो जाओ तैयार, वी कॉल इट love.
This is the beauty of having a personal experience and imagine watching it on the big screen. Two things before we ask her to leave. एक और language में तो गवाऊंगा ही. So we have cancelled Nepalese and Sinhalese, वहाँ पे lyrics नहीं मिल रहे, लेकिन गुजराती बहुत अच्छा गाती है. और खाना इनके घर का world famous है, world famous. So यार मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि is it in your hands also? तुम्हारे हाथों में भी वही जादू है जो मम्मी के हाथों में?
अब वो आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, मैं अपने मुंह मियां में
नहीं,
तो
why
नहीं
you can be?
सकती।
और पता है इनके खाने का स्वाद is perfect और and not like दाल रोटी चावल.
That's
Elaborate.
yeah. I can cook only elaborate stuff.
So
by
what
the
is your favorite cuisine? Chinese?
all?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है.
No, I love Japanese. I love obviously the
Japanese?
typical. Yeah, I
घर
love
पे? You can make?
Yeah,
Japanese?
yeah,
Sushi and all?
yeah.
ओ तेरी.
आना पड़ेगा मतलब.
Wow. So and cooking is easy for you? Or are you one of those people जो बहुत सारे बर्तन निकाल लेते हैं और सब गंदा कर दे फिर बाद में साफ होता है?
वो मैटर नहीं करता यार, एंड प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
क्योंकि मेरे साथ भी
They
same है.
always have a little help with me कि अच्छा अब ये अच्छा ये दे दो, मुझे ये पकड़ा दो.
Indian food are you good at?
Indian, I'm fabulous at. I can very proudly say my keema, my butter chicken.
Butter chicken?
ओहो, मतलब
भैया
भूख लग रही है.
यार ये बहुत अच्छी है. पतिदेव को रोज जो स्वाद मिलता
अरे वो
है.
चिकन मटन खाता ही नहीं है, तो मैं जो बनाती हूँ मैं खुद खाती हूँ.
What a tragedy. But it's amazing and that's why खाते पीते घर से लगना भी चाहिए तभी खुशी रहती है and that's why I always say I love it. But this Gujarati track, again, Gujaratis love their food. Are you good with Gujarati food?
I love eating it. I haven't made it. Yeah.
Actually, they're a non-veg family, na? So
No, but वो manageable है. मैं खा सकती हूँ वो वाला.
Perfect. Let's have it. Is this for a film or a private?
No, it's like a folk.
Okay, super. Let's have it.
So would you like to hear something fast in Gujarati?
नहीं ये slow. अभी ये slow वाला कर
अब ये
दो ना.
slow
हाँ,
वाला. Okay. तारा विना शामने एक लड़ू लागे, रासे रमवान वेलो आओ जी. ओ तारा विना शामने एक लड़ू लागे, रासे रमवान वेलो आओ जो. ओ तारे विना शाम एक लड़ू लागे, तारा विना शाम एक लड़ू लागे.
यार इसकी आवाज इतनी खूबसूरत है. You're so blessed. Congratulations on this new victory. And I feel कि कई बार ये छोटी-छोटी जो victories होती है ना ये किसी को prove करने के लिए नहीं होती है. Sometimes it's just a personal thing.
Absolutely.
I think there's nothing
absolutely.
left to prove as far as and let me tell you this. everybody's in their own battle. You know, you feel that you want to just reach the best that you can be. I think you're still very far away from that.
Oh yeah, I feel like, you know, like last time I started work with a new company, a new team.
Yeah.
Okay, they call it DNH Artists.
Yeah.
And the whole synergy is so beautiful, and I've done enough manager
Yeah,
shopping in my life. And I've had all
She's
sorts
had
of
some very strange experiences, you know.
Oh
with a
yeah,
lot of
all
managers.
sorts
Yeah.
of.
Yeah.
So then I was at that space where I thought, bas ho gaya yaar, abhi nahi hai, we'll just go solo and we'll just do our own thing. People will contact us directly. But then, surprisingly, this happened. And I've been telling them, ek saal ho jayega, I've been telling them that I feel like my career should start now. Like I'm kind of prepared now. Bring it on.
But,
So
but it's a good time also. A lot of films are being made.
Yeah.
I think more so than ever, lots of new singers are being tried.
And you know, I don't want to keep my approach only limited to Bollywood.
Yeah, of course.
There's more music out there that people are accepting now, and pehle himmat nahi hoti thi, you know. You make songs, you don't go out there and pitch it because non-film, who will support ya? So there's a lot of new openings.
Spotify is there, JioSaavn is there,
Yeah.
YouTube has a new music channel. There's so many, and it's just going to get more and more and more. Like I
Right.
said, the digital revolution is more for music, I believe, than rather anything else.
And people are consuming it also.
Of
So people are
course.
not looking at, acha, ye film ka gana hai, so only we're going to hear it. Wo nahi hai. If it's a good song, it is traveling on its own. And even the smallest of, you know, mashups that I do on my YouTube channel, I know people have called from places like Ludhiana. An uncle has called my team and said, I want Akriti for our show because I want her to sing this particular mashup while my daughter's entering, you know, the bride entry.
Wow.
So it feels amazing to just go and see how many people are genuinely consuming those mashups as opposed to the original. So that's where I feel
Stay
it's
connected,
good.
be good, and if you reach out there to the rest of the world, they will. I mean, there is. I think talent has a voice out there in this big virtual world, and I think it's great if you can actually tap into it. Thank you, darling, for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Akriti Kakkar, the YouTube channel, it's the
It's
same
called
name,
Akriti
no?
Kakkar.
Yeah, so you can actually check out everything. So if you want to contact her for a show anywhere in the world, that's the way to do it, man. We see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.